might be able to do something.
Yeah, I'm just lockpicking.
My M1 got fucked. Look at that.
Oh yeah, there's still another brick layer inside too. Yeah, we just got lockpicking here. Oh shit, just rubber banded. Lower my render.
Oh, we have C4.
You only one.
Only one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let me get a mega BMG.
Yeah. Who's asking? CS?
Yeah. Yep. Oh, that's my run.
I'm down. Another one down.
Oh. Don't close that wood door.
Hold on. Give me a second.
Nade it? Alright, here. I got it.
Yeah, nade it.
You loaded and active in there.
I'm down.
Open the door.
He's opening the door. Get back up, bro. Don't get close. You're like too close to me.
I don't want to swing this corner over here.
Okay.
We cleared this walkway?
Another one down.
Wait, the
Matt,
doors
did
are?
you blow up my body, bear?
No.
Another one down.
Alright, you can't exit from here. This is gonna be fucking hard to raid, I think.
It's alright. We're one door.
Okay, watch out. Oh, no, act, it's not good.
One door open.
He has like glory hole he can peek. Oh, he locked it again?
It's all good.
There's no lock protection. Take off your gloves.
This open.
You have to lock this one right here. Who has knee? Yo, throw it right where the doors are. Throw it. I'm dead. What?
What the fuck happened?
Nail trap, maybe?
No.
He BMG'd
I
you.
made it too.
I didn't even hear the gunshot.
I didn't even hear it by myself.
That may just say these kids like they're sus, so whatever. Make sure someone's with active or what? There's only a guy in there.
Illusion.
He's on the left side. So that.
He can't BMG through that door, though.
He beat me through the brick wall.
He
Without
can't.
me doing-
You can.
Without like any movement, I barely moving. He just shot me instantly. Like knew exactly where I was in the wall.
Another one down.
Why don't we? Oh, okay. That C4 is not enough. We had 10 C4s and you guys only brought one.
Yeah. We didn't think. I didn't know.
Are they metal doors, bro?
Another door in?
Yeah.
Yeah. He
No,
just.
we
He
can just C4 all the
he-
metal doors.
No. Another one down. He's just taking locks off of the doors. I'm just.
I'm almost there.
He's opening doors.
Yeah, I'm opening the doors. A lockpick. Another door open. Another lock off. I mean.
I'm gonna try to 50 BMG
Another
him.
lock off.
Yeah, he's just close to the wall.
Oh, watch out.
Not shooting you.
Fuck, man. I fucked it up. so laggy right now.
I mean, you can stack the cars and jump in, but
This guy's like, what the fuck's going on? My doors are opening.
He said that?
No, I bet that's what I was thinking though. Oh, down. Another one down.
Yeah, the most
He's on the roof.
badass spawn.
Man, just look
He's
at
on the
this
roof.
fucking-
think so.
I think he is too. Check.
He might be about to throw a nade. Or he can also jump too.
Another one down.
Almost there. You guys see it?
Running from a wolf.
Another one down. Oh shit! Oh! That landed right on me. Holy shit, that gave me a heart attack.
Alright.
I'm gonna drop this back. Lucia's staying here. Lucia's staying here.
He doesn't know. He could go far. He's running up the hill. You didn't kill him.
There's-
I killed one. I killed one.
There's one more. One more. Look at him. He's running up the hill. Right there.
Oh yeah, look.
Oh,
Right there,
okay,
Active.
yeah.
Keep running. Keep running. He doesn't even know you know.
He's right there.
He's going towards your left more. Okay, he stopped.
He's out of
Yo,
he's out of stamp, out of stamp. Push him now.
I'm going.
Someone has a shot, I think.
Oh, someone's at 50 cal.
Matt, he's near our car. 50 cal.
I know.
I don't see this guy. Matt, look over here.
Look,
Alex,
right
stand
here.
on you
I see him. I
know.
see him. I see one. There's another one.
Nice, nice. There's one
There's
over
one,
here.
there's one with the
Just
50 cal. I know. What do you mean?
Quiet,
He's at
please.
the car.
Quiet.
There's one at the car? Oh, I'm gonna snipe that. He's missing all his shots. He's bad. He's bad. He's bad.
We comms. Make me shoot again, please.
I killed him. Oh, I one-tapped him. Holy shit, that was nasty. Yeah.
Move the car, Matt.
I'm gonna nade. Dude, he's destroying both of your loot. And I think he probably destroyed the backpack with a pickin' if you just dropped it on the floor.
Yeah, I did.
Where did you drop it in front of the door?
Oh no, not in front of the door. I left it like on the way out. Someone right there. Pick up Glacier. Fucking one-tap.
Is there a nade? Oh, here's your bed. Oh, should we wait?
Yeah, that's why. Fuck it.
Here. Here.
You think I can bank it off the right cap?
Maybe.
Alright, everybody clear out.
Walk there. One over downward.
Two dead. Don't place these
Oh,
ones.
fuck.
Yeah, don't place these ones.
Yeah, don't place it. On the right side? The right
Let
side?
me be out. They're loading in.
Where?
Go.
In between these two. In between these two. Right here. In between the walls.
Right here?
Yeah,
Right,
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 right.
right.
Move. Run.
Dun.
Watch Matt die. Fucking bitch.
Running right in. Mid?
Me too.
Feels nice to be deep.
Another one loaded in.
Yeah. I'm putting the door.
You should pick on top of here, Active.
Yeah, you're right.
They can see in that window.
No, it's wardrobe. Go.
Oh, what the fuck?
Matt shot by mistake.
can't.
Look at the right side
can,
of
I
it.
can.
Look at the yeah.
I'm on
One
watchtower
down.
watch.
Nice.
2 down.
Nice.
That's
I'm gonna
open.
push in. Nice.
He locked us all in.
I can pick it from here. There's just silver.
Trying to close it.
One down.
Ah!
There's open. Alright.
I traded with him. I'm shady.
I'm dead on the cabin.
You were on the cabin?
Yeah.
Comms.
Kill the guy inside the base for fame.
Nice.
Yeah, he ain't spawning on the
He
bed
tried
again.
to shoot with bed.
Oh no, there's someone still at the top.
Someone on top of the cabin?
No, there's someone in these doorways. Sorry, Nate. Oh, nade! Dead. I killed all 3. Holy shit, I just killed 3 with 1 nade. You need
You
all.
died?
Are you all dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Bring 2.
I asked for your permission to see for the cabin.
I did, and he said go for it low.
Alright, bet. These kids don't have shit, really, bro.
It's fine.
But let's be honest, we have more shit than them. We're just doing
I
this
hear him.
shit
Hold
for
on, I'm deep.
PvP.
Hold on, give me a sec.
Yeah, Server's about to wipe.
Give me a
Okay.
sec, give me a sec. Oh my god, dude.
He died.
Nah, I hit one. Killed him.
Who left?
Nice.
I'm holding. Oh shit. Anyone dead?
How deep are you active?
They didn't relock anything.
Are you at the cabin?
Yeah, no, not at the cabin. But I was in the car area. Playing
Is
on
that
all.
clear active?
Down the watchtower. Down the watchtower.
I'm gonna peek it.
I'm gonna distract them. Yo! I know you're on the watchtower. Yeah, you stupid bitch.
On me, yo! On this. In second layer, second layer.
Dead.
Nice.
You said what? Uh-huh. You said what?
Just hold it.
Taking the gun.
What happened?
I killed one.
Some gross shit on his chest.
Oh yeah,
Killed you, dead. 0 fame.
fucking
Okay,
bricked
dude,
right
0
now.
fame. How much fame point does he have then, if he has 0 fame?